You can start now, Sayukta.
Okay, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome. My name is Sayukta Milit Ingole. Today, I am delivering information about AI technology, as named as virtual agent. It provides a automated service or guidance for humans. This is the content I am discussing about: introduction about virtual agent, brief information about technology, then literature survey, and final conclusion and reference. Introduction. What is a virtual agent? It's a nothing more than a software program or computer agent capable of interacting with human. This technology most commonly used by organization in their customer service to answer a routine customer queries, to fulfill their requests and handle a simple problems. The common example of this kind of technology are chatbots. Currently, virtual agents being used for customer service and support as a smart home managers. Brief on systems. Organization could create a virtual agent that were scripted to respond in a specific way to human request. Then, those organization create a have the agent respond as a needed to each request, which the agent could identify by predetermine keywords that had been a program into a platform. In a simple way, the virtual agent would identify the keyword and respond with the scripted response that in a complicated analysis base matches the keywords. For example, virtual agents are often used for initial customer interaction with call center or click to chat feature in website. It also used in some organization to handle employee needs. For example, virtual agents computer used in a IT function to provide help de- desk type service such as employee request for tasks. As a chat box, it's a specific type of conversational agent who's having a capability to chat either by email or message or voice. However, the term chat box does not encompass the wider array of virtual agent capability that might also include virtual representation such as holograms. So customer can well interact with that bot easily, and it simply to provide customer service by verbal communication. This is the example. If customer want to buy a product from certain website and such as laptop, or and customer need to clear their doubts, or it needed some service about for products, solving each customer problem are most stressful job, and that task almost impossible for website hosts to provide services thousands of customers. So they develop chatbots to interact with user or customer by guiding customer through the step by step process. As you can see in a photo, right bottom corner of the button, there is a when we click, it open a pre-programmed virtual agent providing a service of chatbot. As you can see right now, literature survey. For personal assistant, human takes a long time to process a single request such as booking ticket, ordering food, buying on a product. It reduces the performance of the company or business. But by using virtual agent, you can easily build bots. Therefore, without needing coding or AI, it reduces cost by easily automated common inquiries and freeing human agents time and deal with the more complex issue. It also allows customer to self-help and resolve a issue quickly by 25 by 7 using the rich personalized bot conversation. Research into artificial social agent aim by constructing this agent and at establishing understanding between them and how they can certain outcome in areas such as health, health, entertainment, and education. Key for establish such understanding is its community ability to describe and reciprocate their observation on how users perceive and interact with their agents. As a, there is also a term we known as a live virtual agent, which related in a virtual agent. It's as it's referred to real human agent who work virtually. Simply, we can say that they are located separated from the organization as a outer higher person, and they can work virtually for the organization. They are typically connected to the call center. Other industries such as insurance company and travel industry hire the humans virtual agent for customer services. While discussing about a virtual agent, there is also a simple term known as virtual assistant, but they both having a differences. Virtual agent is associated with an organization used for work assistant, their customer or their employees. For example, chatbox, as we discussed earlier, where assistant gather information from internet searches and do a digital task such as updating users calendar or check a weather forecast to users request. Well-known example is the Apple series, Amazon Alexa. And finally, the conclusion is a virtual agent technology is involving with capability of including natural languages processing and ability to interact with enterprise system. In offer compelling business benefit, including including the enhancing customer experience, residing living, health cost, and driving cost sales. Thank you.